And the race is on. Mamika, queen of class from the outside. Smarty S. Elusive Cat, Golden Angge in the middle. And the favorite hot shout is the early trailer. Mamika, Smarty S. Elusive Cat. And in between runners, Golden Angge alongside his queen of class and hot shout is still running at the tail of the field as they run the 3/4 mile distance. Mamika by a length and a half. Elusive Cat in second. Smarty S racing in third by a length and a half. In between runners, Golden Angge alongside Queen of Class and the favorite Hot Shout is still running at the tail of the field by about 6 or 7 lengths of the leader, working towards the back. Mamika by 3/4 of a length. Elusive Cat from the outside. Golden Angge is racing in third alongside Queen of Class in fourth by Daryl Smartes and Hot Shout. Rounding the far turn, Mamika is still leading by a length and a half. Elusive Cat in second. Golden Angge racing in third. And moving up by Daryl Queen of Class, Martes, Hot Shout as they race the final corner. Mamika by some 2 lengths. Elusive Cat, Queen of Class, Martes, and Hot Shout, Golden Angge. Entering the last 100 meters more to the Mamika by some 3 lengths now. Elusive Cat and moving up is Hot Shout, Smarty S, and finally Mamika. Hot Shout, Smarty S, Queen of Class, Elusive Cat, and Golden Angge comes last.